Next few things I would like to talk about are safety in the kitchen. Mainly, we're going to talk about preventing burns and preventing slips and falls. Okay, as far as preventing burns in the kitchen, these utensils or these pans get awfully hot, okay, when they're on the stove, even with a pilot light going. Anytime we're using any saute pans or fry pans, you should be using a dry kitchen towel when using a saute pan or a fry pan in the kitchen. Okay? A couple other things we need to be concerned of. We want all of our pot handles turned in, away from the aisle, okay? Because we have a limited amount of space that we can move around in. So they should be turned away from yourself. Okay? A couple other things we want to talk about are preventing burns when using the oven and the stove. Okay? Anytime that we go ahead and use the convection oven, when we open the door away from ourselves so we don't get blasted with the hot air. Okay, so we open the doors away from ourselves to go ahead and retrieve any food. When we go ahead and pull food out of the convection oven or the oven, you want to make sure that our towel is nice and dry. Do not use one of your wet towels. What happens if you use a wet towel and stick it into a hot convection oven? The water will instantaneously turn to steam and go ahead and burn your hand. So you want to go ahead and prevent that. Okay? The other thing we want to talk about is slips and falls in the kitchen. The quarry tile in the Bamfey room and in the kitchens is very slippery when it gets wet. Okay? That means anytime you spill any food or liquid on the floor, you want to go ahead and make sure that that gets cleaned up immediately. Okay? We have wet floor signs. Put those down on the floor and then go grab a broom or a mop and clean up your mess.